Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. In today's video, we are going to analyze two platforms which are like very best of the best trading platforms we have, and both of them are discount brokers, and you can save a lot of charges in terms of brokerage if you use these two platforms. Now, which one is better is what we want to analyze today. So let's get started with our video. So the two platforms which we are going to discuss today is Shoonya, which is by Finvasia, and there is Alpha Web from Sasonline. So both these platforms are budget discount brokers, you can say, and there is the charges of these trading platforms is Shoonya has zero brokerage. So you actually pay zero brokerage on all your transactions. So you can do unlimited trading on this. And then Sasonline, we have about 9 rupees per trade order, as well as you have an unlimited plan of 999 per month. That means you pay 1000 rupees every month, plus no brokerage will be charged to you except for the taxes which you have to anyways pay on any platform. So let's get started with Shoonya platform. As you can see, this is a web browser which I'm using. Most of the people, they are working, and most of them try to use this because the desktop versions are blocked by most of the offices. So a lot of people prefer to trade via apps as well as websites. So we are comparing the Shoonya web versus the Sasonline web. So here you can see this is a Shoonya by Finvasia. This is the dashboard, what you can see. And here if you see the dashboard, it is pretty clean. You have funds, orders, G, GTT orders, positions, holdings, and all. Okay, so now it depends upon look wise, it is fine. But I have personally faced a lot of problem with the Shoonya. The refresh of the portal when the orders get triggered is a very delayed in that. And there is a specific problem in the app also. The app, whenever you punch the order, the refresh doesn't happen quickly, and it is not reflecting immediately also. You have to again go back to the app, refresh, and then get to see that. So now if you see, how do we look at this? So when you click on any symbol, if you want to add any symbol, you just type the symbol name. Adding will be like this. So I can add December future. So here I have added December future, November future. Now there is a buy order. Okay, the order window will be like this. MAS order is for daily orders, normal order is for swing trades, cover orders plus bracket orders. So cover order, bracket order, you need to get it activated on your account separately. Plus usually we use MAS order for intraday trades, and to put a stop loss you have to click on this. You have to enter the trigger price here and the actual price here. So there has to be 1 rupee difference between the trigger price and the actual price, so that your orders get executed, especially in options. Okay, so that this is how is the layout. This is pretty simple, but you should get used to it. And then coming to the depth part, the depth will be available like this. Okay, where you'll get bid quantities. Here open, low, open, high is little confusing to look at. Actually open is here, high is here. Okay, so this is the way it appears. And then let's go to the charts. So when you click on chart, the chart, there are two options available here. One is you have a chart preference as chart IQ or trading view. Okay, so now the problem with both this is that I will show you like how we can look at the charts here. Then I'm not saying anything good or bad about these platforms. You can decide for yourself by trading on both the terminals, but my experience I will share at the end of the video. So here by default, any chart you open, it opens up in 1 minute. Okay, this is one of the biggest challenge we have. So again you have to select the time frame, and then adding indicators is again it's the same trading view indicators, so you don't have to worry much on this. So we have added indicator here. We have added say for example RSI you want to add, so you add RSI here. Then the customization and everything as per the trading view platform. So this is simple, you can use it this way. Okay, but the problem here is once you save the template, give a name like my view and save it. Okay, now whenever you go to a new chart, let's see if the template it picks up by default or not. Let's go to Nifty Bank chart. Okay, so now you have saved the template, it is coming by default. Let's see any other option chart. Okay, so it is coming by default, so it is taken your template here. Let's refresh it and try to see if that is the case again with any of the charts. Are we getting the same layout or not? See, this is the problem. The moment I refreshed my template which I saved is gone. Okay, there's a huge problem here. So here again you have to go back and make that change. By default it is opening at 1 minute. Again change it back to 3 minutes. Okay, so this is one of the biggest problem you will face when you are using Finvasia, because every time you have to put in your template again and again, and the chart doesn't by default open in a template. So I have looked at the settings also, there is no option where I can set a default template. Okay, even the templates are saved here. Again I have to select that template so that I can view it. So it comes like this. I have to select the template every time. Okay, so there is no difference like that. Once you refresh, this is what, again it goes back to 1 minute. So this is the biggest pain point. And also if you want to keep this, see for example now I want to have Nifty chart. Okay, can I place it in a separate window so that if I'm using a different screen, I can pull that window and put that onto that screen, so that I can have one window where I can see the chart and one window where I can see the trade terminal. But here there is no option for you to make it full screen. When you do the full screen, it will come like this. Okay, so this way you can't drag or drop this particular window to other screen. So this becomes a bigger problem when you are actually trading on a day-to-day basis. So now what happens is you have to close this and again go back. So this is one of the biggest challenge in trading. It is all about timely entry and exit, and for which you need to watch the charts very carefully, and software is very important. No matter, even if you have to pay for the software, charting software, it is important that you pay and take a good software where you get the data properly. So this is one of the biggest problem in this particular platform. And advantages of this platform is that you get to see, you can create alerts, which is there in most of the things, and you can also see the option chain, and there is something called as multi-leg order. Okay, you can create multi-leg orders in this. So 3-leg order, 2-leg order you can actually create and execute. And there is also a GTT order. That means good till date. You can put up a condition, say the last transaction price is greater than or lesser than certain value, and put a order there. So whenever the price comes, today, tomorrow, and next 15 days, the order will get executed. So that is the advantage of GTT order. So this is kind of good for investment purpose, but not as a trader, because as a trader you are there in front of the screen, and mostly you would like to use MIS or normal, and entry and exit has to be really quick to make money. Now this is about this platform, and what are the other things it has: a dashboard, it has orders, it has positions, holdings, margins, market. Screeners are there, which are like okay kind of thing, but not that great, where you cannot customize the screeners. And there is a dark theme, order preference, whatever you want to set, number of lots you can set, and it can be a product, where by default you can save it as MIS. So this happens. Okay, so now there is one more option, which is basket order. Here, create a basket. You can create multiple orders at once, which can be triggered. So this is kind of good if you're using an algo platform where you can connect this there. But I have not experienced how it works, but algo seems to be working well on Shoonya platform. So if you have algos which can trigger multiple orders, Shoonya is the best platform where you save a lot of brokerage. But if you are into option strategies and you carry your positions for 3 to 4 days or till expiry, then uh, this is okay. You can do this on here in this platform as well. And if you're intraday scalper or intraday trader, where you are like quickly making decisions, buying and selling, then this platform is not for you. Actually, this is little laggy, and you need to prefer the other platform, which I'm going to show in this video. Let's go to Alpha from SAS. So this platform and app, which I have already used for about 3 years now, they're pretty decent and pretty accurate. Even the app is like flawless. You don't get to see any lag there, any orders pending. Everything goes smoothly here. They also have a clean layout of screeners. You can see these many screeners are available. Okay, which is very good. And IPO is also available here. You can directly apply within this window. So what is the cost you're paying for this particular software? It's about 999 rupees every month, so that you can use this software. Now the best things I would like to show you on this platform is that, for example, now we are at Nifty, so I can see open high, open low very quickly on any script. So these are all real-time issues which you will face as a trader. If you look at Shunya, your depth is appearing here. Okay, here you see open high, open closes, pretty neat here. Okay, if I have to add a symbol, Nifty November, and send the depth, it comes here. So like this, I can see multiple depths open. So here it is restricted to one. I cannot see multiple depths here. Okay, so this is one plus point here. Okay, and buying and selling is simple, normal or MIS. This also can be configured by default from the settings. 50 lot size trigger. If stop loss you have to place, you have to just place. It's next to each other. It's like, you can use tab and then exit and enter quickly in this. Buy sell orders can be shifted from here. And then comes you have alerts, and you also have option chain here. You can view the option chain, which is also available in that. Now the best part is coming to the charts. So you can see the charts are much cleaner and crisper in this. And here, if I have to say, for example, I have to put in super trend. Okay, I put in super trend, then I have put in RSI here. So I put RSI is there. So let's save this view. This is, I will say, daily view, and I save it. Okay, so now what happens is, whenever I see any chart, the same view appears for me. Okay, so let's refresh this. Okay, now see this. Even after refresh, my view is the same view which is there by default. So I don't have to change. I can easily scroll like this, right? I can easily scroll the stocks to see the entry, if I'm getting an entry or not. So many stocks are there. See my template. It's so easy to actually use it on a 3-minute time frame, or you can preferably save a 15-minute time frame setup. Okay, like this. Now let's do how easy it is for us to do an analysis. If I say pop out, it opens up in a new window. Okay, then I can drag this window. I can place this window here, and then again I continue work. So if I have an additional screen, I can drag this window into a new screen. I can easily use it. So if you see, this is our 15-minute time frame of bank nifty. Let's put 14 in this, and let's do this on a monthly time frame. Let's analyze on a real time how it works. So on a monthly time frame, you can see the chart, it is at all-time high. If you want to draw something, the tools are here. I'll put a horizontal line here. This is the highest till date, which is 18,604. High is 18,604, and the market is at about 18,362. You can see the uh, open price, high price here as well. Okay, and there is also a buy and sell order available from the chart. So I can do buy and sell from the chart itself. So that is also a very good feature. Okay, so these are all drawing tools which are available for you, and you can always use these kind of drawings from here to here, and you can actually do the settings. See, it's easy for you to make a setting like this. Use a dotted line or use a rectangle, make it a yellow color. It's all pretty easy to do in this particular thing. Okay, now we delete the drawing. You can click on here and all that vanishes. So now let's see what is RSI settings. These are all chart features. RSIs, you can put a different color for red, you can put a color for green, and then you're done. You will be able to see it here. There is also volume profile available easily. You can put a volume profile here, or you put volume underlay, but here I can search for Nifty 50 futures here itself, like this. So the chart changes. This is a monthly chart, so I'll go to a daily chart. The volume is here. So it is easy for me to look at the chart and analyze, and from here I can do a buy and sell order. So only difference between this and Shoonya is that Shoonya doesn't charge brokerage, but the platform is laggy and desktop version is also not up to the mark. And uh, definitely, if you're using algo, this is the best option. You can save a lot of brokerage, but we don't know how much is the slippage which is going to happen on this. On the other part, you have Alpha Web, which is on a 999 offer per month. If you can, use the link in my description where you can get this Sasonline at 999 monthly, and then do unlimited trading. And the chart is good, app is good. Wherever you're on the move, you can do the same things what you're doing here on the app, and it is very user friendly, and I have been using it for many years. I did a mistake of shifting to Shoonya, but I'm shifting back to SAS, so that, and it's also very easy for me to withdraw and add funds, and looking at the overall backstage performance and everything. So that way you can decide what is your requirement, whether you want to go for uh, Shunya, or you can go for SAS. So you can decide, and you can choose the 999 offer or zero brokerage. Both are good, but here uh, charts are very good. Charts are very good for you, and speed is good. App is good. So there are many plus points for you as a trader to actually go for Sasonline, but it's your choice what you want to do. If you are doing algo, then I would say Shunya, right? Because you will save a lot of brokerage. And also, if you are an investor, Shunya, you can do. And multiple orders, I don't know why you do that, but if you are multiple order trader, then you can use Shunya. Okay, so that way, this is a comparison for both the platforms. You can decide which one is good. But yes, for anybody who is working on multiple systems, working from office and doing the work at the same time, opening a browser window to check the markets and trade, then I think Sasonline is the best option for you. Okay, guys, that's it so much for this week, and it's a short video, but it's a crisp video for you to understand what a trader wants. And I'm doing this for all the traders who might be searching which platform to go. This is a platform we should look at if you are a serious daily trader and who wants proper charts and proper entry and exit. So if you see this 3 minute time frame, okay, so this is the kind of crispness you can get. The moment I scroll up, the chart is bigger for me, so I don't have to worry. So it is as good as any AMI broker or a desktop software which you're using. Of course, if you're a full-time trader, you would want to have multiple screens and desktop software, but even the desktop software of SAS is pretty good. And they also offer Nest trading application for all their users who are their old customers. So I have a Nest terminal as well. Till the time it is there, I can use that. So definitely, if you are somebody who is using TradingView and use a Nest software, then you can be a super fast trader. You can use this. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it for this week. But please do subscribe to my channel. I see a lot of you are watching my videos but not subscribing. The subscription rate is hardly 3 to 4%. So please don't do that. If you like the video, just click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. It gives me a lot of motivation to make more videos like this. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great weekend.